What exactly is the CIP cleaning system used for? Give you a detailed introduction. Why is the CIP cleaning system in the first place? Because of the food and beverage industry, there will be residues during the production process. If it is not cleaned at this time, there's a lot of bacteria. Many beverage manufacturers, his factory has more equipment. If we clean it manually, it takes longer. What is the working principle of the CIP cleaning system? You can see a tank. From left to right are the alkali tanks, shower tanks and hot water tanks. So our first step is to use our hot water tank. Pre-clean all our equipment first. After the hot water is cleaned, we'll do the alkali wash again. The main function of our alkali washing is to remove the residue from the inner walls of our pipes. Then after our alkali washing is completed, use our hot water again. Rinse it all over again. After rinsing, we will perform this pickling. Finally, hot water is used to clean the interior of all pipes. The entire cleaning process, all are controlled by PLC touchscreen. If there is a boss, if you think the price of this fully automatic is relatively high, our factory also has this semi-automatic one, relatively low cost.